Welcome back, pre-calc students. In this video, I'm going to cover Unit 3, Topic 1 and 2. Given a rational function, find the coordinates of deleted points, equations of vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So you're going to have a rational function, which is a polynomial divided by a polynomial. To find the coordinates of the deleted point, what you're going to do is factor the numerator and the denominator. It could be factoring by grouping. It could be a greatest common factor. It could be regular trinomial factoring. In this case, we have the difference of two perfect squares and just a regular trinomial where we need numbers that add to 3 multiplied to 2. So we don't need to worry about grouping like doing this number times 2. So when we factor the numerator, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2, denominator x plus 2 times x minus 1. So a deleted point exists when you have a common factor in the numerator and the denominator. And we just saw this with limits as well. So this tells you, yes, you have a deleted point. In order to find the coordinates of the deleted point, you take that common factor and you set it equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. You solve, you get x equals negative 2. So that's the x coordinate. To find the y coordinate, you're going to substitute now that negative 2 into the simplified function. So if you substitute negative 2 in here, this is what you're going to get. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. When you divide those, you're going to get positive 4. So that's your y coordinate. So the coordinates of the deleted point for this rational function are just negative 2. Your deleted point is negative 2, positive 4. All right, for the vertical asymptote, you're going to take the simplified function and set the denominator or denominators equal to 0, whatever is left after you simplify. So in this case, it's just x plus 1. So you set that equal to 0, and you're going to get x equals negative 1. That is your vertical asymptote. For your horizontal asymptote, what you need to look at is the highest exponent in the numerator and the denominator, or the degree of the function. In this case, they're the same. So what you're going to do is you're just going to divide these leading coefficients of 1 and 1. So you'll see that happening here. Y is equal to 1 divided by 1, which is just 1. So the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. Now, I just do want to talk about a couple of different situations for the horizontal asymptote. Say you had 5x to the second divided by 3x to the second. Those were the highest exponent in the numerator and denominator. You're just going to get 5/3. Y equals 5/3 would be your horizontal asymptote. If you had 5x to the second divided by 3x to the third, if the denominator has a higher exponent, you're always going to have 0. Y equals 0. And if the numerator has a higher exponent, 5x to the third divided by, say, 2x to the second, your answer will always be none. You will not have a horizontal asymptote. So that covers the 3 cases of what you're going to see there. And that's it for this video.